Joy-Con drift is still a headache, but fixing it at home is easier than you think. First, try the built-in calibration. Go to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, and calibrate control sticks. Follow the steps and see if it solves the drift. If that doesn't work, clean the Joy-Con, power off your Switch, take a can of compressed air or contact cleaner, and spray gently and under the sticks while moving it around. Dust and dirt are the #1 cause of drift. Next option, in the same settings, use update controllers. Sometimes drift is caused by outdated firmware. If it's still bad, you can order a cheap Joy-Con joystick replacement kit online. It's only a few dollars and way cheaper than buying new Joy-Cons. Replacing it takes about 10 minutes with the included tools. And remember, if you're still under warranty, Nintendo will often fix drift for free. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.